Students, hope all of you will be healthy and at home. Uh, Dear student, first of all, recognize these person. Who are they? These are the leaders of our society. Okay, ये कौन है? हमारी society के leaders. Okay, and today our topic is political theory. This first chapter of your second book, Political Theory, and the chapter name is Political Theory and Introduction. Okay, what is politics? Politics means you can say that politics means is differ from at every place differ. Okay, time to time it varies, change होता रहता है. Clear? Different people have different definition and hence we have a conflicting image of word politics. One person have different views about politics, other have other views about politics. That's why we have a conflicting image of the word politics. Politics जो word है उसकी conflicting image है according, because this word has a lot of meaning. If you are working in a office, then or in an institution, there may be politics. Politics तो वहाँ भी हो सकती है in the staff. Okay, and politics may be by the leaders of your country. Is it something that is undesirable or something we need in order to make a better world? क्या आपको लगता है ये ऐसा है कि जिससे we can make our world better? Okay, negative politics word has you can say that has two aspects, negative and positive. In negative form, if we say politics is negative where a person follows his own interest at the cost of public. If we are denying the benefits of other for the selfishness due to the selfishness of us, that's it means that we are follow the negative politics. Okay, and positive अगर किसी का ध्यान अपने फ़ायदे के लिए हम दूसरों को नुकसान पहुंचा रहे हैं, that is not a good politics, that is negative politics. And positive politics, positive resolving conflicts and allowing equal distribution of resources. But if in the society if there is a equal distribution of resources, you can say that money, you can say that this production system, then if there is a equal distribution of these things, then it is a positive politics, so that we have an equal and fair society. If we want a equal and fair society, then there must be the equal distribution of wealth and resources. Okay, now what is politics? Now you will tell me what is politics. It is a process, it is a mathematical calculations, it is a geographical areas, or it is a scientific based method. Now you will write the answer of this on your registers, on your notebooks. Okay, in your notebook. Now important thinkers, these are the thinkers of our political science. First of all, Aristotle, and he gave his views on democracy or monarchy. Democracy, all of you know that to the people, by the people, and for the people. That is administration, just where the people are the main, or monarchy where the administration of king and queen. Okay, Mahatma Gandhi, Hind Swaraj. Okay, and B.R. Ambedkar fought against discrimination on the basis of caste. क्लियर, वो कास्ट बेस्ड डिस्क्रिमिनेशन के लिए लड़े. Socrates, it means and gives the theory of justice, and Rousseau give the theory of freedom. And Rousseau says always said that man is born free, but always caught in chains, मतलब फ्री पैदा हुआ है लेकिन हमेशा चेन्स में बंधा रहता है. चेन्स में नॉट लिटरली मतलब ऐसे चेन्स से, बट देयर आर सो मैनी कॉन्स्टेंट इन द सोसाइटी. बहुत बंधन होते हैं सोसाइटी में दैट द मैन हैज़ टू फॉलो. ओके, नाउ Karl Marx. Karl Marx was related to Germany, and he was born in 1818, and he was the supporter of equality. इक्वालिटी के सपोर्टर थे. ओके, एंड ही ऑलवेज सेड दैट देयर मस्ट बी इक्वालिटी इन द सोसाइटी. क्लियर? नाउ this is the Constitution of India and preamble and shrine. Preamble, you have already done this also. Preamble, you can say that the index of the Constitution. By reading the preamble, you can know about the objectives and goals of the Constitution of India. ओके, सो इन प्रियम्बल एंश्राइन क्या पता है? फ्रीडम, इक्वालिटी, फंडामेंटल राइट्स, abolishes untouchability and Gandhiji's ideas on directives principle of state policy. Who wrote the book Hind Swaraj? हिंद स्वराज किसने लिखी? You will also find this and write on your registers, in your registers. Okay. Importance of politics. What is the importance of politics in our life? Politics is an integral part of a society. If you are living in a society, then you must have to face politics. There may be politics in your home, there may be politics in your society, there may be politics in the staff where you are working, or there may be politics in your class also. Okay, politics is an integral is an जो जुड़ा होता है पार्ट, वो सोसाइटी से जुड़ी हुई है. No society can exist without some form of political organization and collective decision making. No society can exist without political organization. If in a society there is no political organization and collective decision making institution, then that society may be unable to run. Okay, government is one such form of an institution which is very important. Okay, it does economic policies, educational policies and foreign policies which helps in the betterment of life of peoples. Clear? Why politics is important? Because it is an integral part of our society. If there will be no political institution like government, like legislature, like executive, then there will be no law and order. Okay, or government is necessary, is essential for the smooth running of a country. Or it does economic policies, educational policies and foreign policies. These policies are made for the welfare of the people. And if there will be no politics, there will be no leaders, then there will be no legislature and there will be no law making. Okay, who first argued for freedom as a fundamental right of humankind? Now this is a question for you, and this question you will also write in your registers, in your notebooks. Mahatma Gandhi, Karl Marx, Ambedkar and Rousseau. Clear? Now political theory. Clear? Branch of political science. Political theory deals with the ideas and principles that shape constitution, government and social life in a systematic manner. Theory, you can say that theory, a view, a scientific idea on which a country can done its administration in a better way. Political theory deals with the ideas and principles that shape constitution. It means political theory is an idea, or always based on some principle on which the constitution of a country run its administration. The government can run its can do its functions. Okay, and social life in a systematic manner. It clarifies the meaning of concepts such as freedom, equality, justice, democracy, secularism and also on. because if there is theories in your you can say that in your society, then you can easily know about these concepts. Freedom क्या है, equality क्या है, justice क्या है, democracy क्या है, what is secularism. By theory, by political theory, you can know about this. Okay, why we need political theory, हमें क्यों ज़रूरत है political theory की. How should our society be. We need political theory because by political theory we know that how our society should be, किस तरह की होनी चाहिए हमारी सोसाइटी. और अगर सोसाइटी मस्ट बी बेस्ड ऑन some ideas, some views which we can get from political theory. Who should rule our society, कौन चलाएगा हमारे देश को. This will we know from the political theory. Should there be rulers or not, रूलर्स होने चाहिए या नहीं. और हाउ शुड द प्रॉब्लम्स इन आवर सोसाइटी लाइक पॉवर्टी, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड वायलेंस बी डील्ड विद. वट काइंड ऑफ एजुकेशन बी प्रोवाइडेड टू अस, किस तरह की एजुकेशन मिलेगी. हाउ कैन वी ब्रिंग इक्वालिटी एंड रिस्पेक्ट इन द सोसाइटी. These are the question we get from, these are the question we the answer of these question we get from the political theory. Political theory will help us to know the answer of these questions. Okay, who is politician in this? Mahatma Gandhi, Manmohan Singh ji and Karl Marx ji. Okay, so these you will also write this answer. What do we study in a political theory? क्या पढ़ते हैं हम political theory? You can say that the scope of political theory, the ideas and values propagated by different person to make our society. If you are giving some idea, then it will become the theory of ideas of you. Okay, आपके आइडियाज़ बन जाएंगे. If a person gives his ideas, then it's become a theory. The ideas and values propagated by different persons to make our society, that is ideas of Mahatma Gandhi. महात्मा गांधी के आइडियाज़ क्या थे? नॉन वायलेंस, सत्याग्रह, to bring peace. Okay, and Mahatma Gandhi, that is called Gandhism. The views of Gandhi, the ideas of Gandhi is called Gandhism. And B.R. Ambedkar stood for equal rights for deprived section like Dalit, SC, ST. B.R. Ambedkar always favor equal rights for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. Every individual is equal and caste has no role to play in politics. He was against untouchability. Okay, so these are the ideas of B.R. Ambedkar. एंड इससे पहले जो हमने करे, दैट वाज द आइडिया ऑफ महात्मा गांधी. सो these ideas we study in our political theory. Clear? Significance of political theory, you can say that importance of political theory. क्या political theory की importance है? Critically evaluates values which are part of our life, freedom, equality and justice. Okay, political theory evaluates the values which are the part of our life, means values, freedom, equality, justice. And by political theory tell us the importance of these concepts, to have basic knowledge of the political ideas and institution. By political theory we know about the basic knowledge about the political theory shapes our opinion and argue in an informed manner. Political theory shapes our opinion and argue in an informed manner, means if you are giving away views, then by political theory it can be converted into theories. Okay, it can be converted into shapes. Okay, and we can give our arguments whether existing institutions are adequate, and how existing institutions can be made more democratic. By political theory, we can know about this. The institution like judiciary, like executive, like legislature, are doing their work perfectly? If they are not doing their work perfectly, then how we can make them better? Okay, trains in individuals to think rationally about political questions. So political theory, if you have some ideas, if we have some principles, then we think rationally, we think in a better way. So political theory makes an individual to think rationally about political questions. Okay, so in your question paper you will see the pictures like this, and you will observe these pictures and give the answer of the question that was given to you with under the picture. Okay, significance of political theory does not include, क्या नहीं होता पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी में? मेक सिस्टम डेमोक्रेटिक, थिंक रैशनली, पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी शेप्स आवर ओपिनियन, थ्योरी इज इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर आवर सिलेबस. I will check your answers in your notebooks. Okay, putting political theory into practice. How we can use these theories in our day-to-day life? We need political theory. Why we need political theory? Restriction on freedom in the form of discrimination based on caste, gender, reason and religion. Restriction on freedom in the form of discrimination. By political theory, if we are giving freedom to anyone, then there must be arise discrimination on the basis of caste, gender, religion. And मैं बोलूँ कि then you are free to do anything, then लोग अपनी कास्ट के लोगों को ज़्यादा प्रेफरेंस देने लग जाएंगे, तो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन अराइज होगा. Okay, and by political theory we may put restriction on this discrimination. Okay, second, poverty and unemployment. Poverty and unemployment. Okay, poverty and unemployment. We need political theory because we putting theory into practice. By political theory we can remove poverty and unemployment. And by political theory, some are privileged while others are deprived of necessity. And so to bring freedom and equality to all sections, we need political theory. If we want equality in the society, then we need political theory. Okay, clear? Now recapitulation, it means you will write these questions in your notebooks. Okay, what is politics, important thinking, who are the important thinkers, and what Indian constitution preamble enshrine, and what is the importance of politics, and what is political theory, significance of political theory, and putting political theory into practice, and how we can put political theory into practice, and how we can use political theory in our day-to-day life, and what is the scope of political theory. Okay, now if you have any problem about this topic, then you can ask me. Okay.